हमारे साथ में है डॉक्टर सौम्या चतुर्वेदी मैम और इनसे बात करेंगे कि भाई ये लैब जो बनाया गया है किस लिए बनाया गया है बिकॉज ये एकेटीयू के कैरिकुलम में है या स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड पर बनाया गया है और इस लैब के बारे में भी जानेंगे। और बहुत लोगों को कंफ्यूजन भी होता है ना कि भाई एआई क्या है, एमएल क्या है, डीप लर्निंग क्या है, तो इन चीजों तीनों का डिफरेंस भी जानेंगे। ये लैब किस लिए बनाया गया, मतलब इसका मोटो क्या है कि स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर क्या सीखेंगे या अपडेटेड चीजें क्या है यहाँ पे।
Right. So this lab is basically in collaboration with Intel, and it is named as Intel Unnati AI Centric Lab. And this is a data centric lab in which we can have the high performance computing. So basically in this lab, we have one master node and another compute node, and which is Intel 5th generation Xeon processor. And it is capable of handling GPU tasks, and it has 32 cores with 64 threads. And for the compute node, we have 12 cores and 32 threads. So basically, it will be handling all the machine learning and deep learning projects, which are data intensive, resource taking programs. And we have provided this for the various projects of the students, so that students, when they want to have the hands-on and perform for the project, most of the time the students, they need to buy the computational power from the clouds. Maybe it is from Azure or Google Cloud, but they are on the rent basis. So we are providing here to our students for specific those data centric jobs or high performance computing inside the GNIOT building. And here, as you can see in the lab, there are 30 systems which are also highly configured in comparison to the commodity machine, and which are capable of handling, the servers are capable of handling 32 such parallel request of processing high performance.
ओके, ये सिर्फ सीएस ब्रांच वाले बच्चे के लिए है या एआई वाले के लिए है?
See,
या सारे कर सकते, कोई भी आके
see,
इसको use कर
basically it is the AI centric lab, but it is not limited to the AI students or CSE students. We have interdisciplinary uses as well. So here in the lab, what we do, generally we have a schedule of labs from AI, AIDS, IoT, and CSE, which are core from the branches. And some of the elite branches like DDCS, data and design science, cybersecurity, they are also, students are also coming for execution purpose on the, routine basis. We have allocated the systems
Okay.
and the, yeah.
अभी अगर हम बात करें कि इन सिस्टम्स में जैसे आपने बहुत सारे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बताए, अगर हम सॉफ्टवेयर के टर्म्स में बताएं तो उसमें नई चीजें क्या और बच्चे सीखेंगे?
See, the systems
कुछ
which
हम
are there,
केस स्टडी सिखाते होंगे कहीं ना कहीं।
most of the time the students are working on the machine learning and deep learning programs. Like for computer vision tasks, we can go for that. And for let's say if we talk about the pure machine learning, so we can go with the classification techniques, with the clustering techniques. Even for k-means clustering, if you want to have the analyze the elbow method, which is, I mean, most of the time which is not possible with the normal commodity machine or the private systems, right? So I have for those purposes, and we can go for various projects which are related to computer science as well as wherever machine learning is involved. जहाँ कहीं भी आप machine learning लगा रहे हैं, deep learning लगा रहे हैं,
there are three things: AI, ML, ML, and deep learning.
Yeah.
What is the difference between them? Because
See,
इसमें बहुत लोग confused
yes, yes. When we talk about AI, is a bigger a system in which we talk about the artificial intelligence. Now, this intelligence is not, in some of the cases, it can be machine sensitive, it can be sensor sensitive, it can be with the computation of for a perspective of deep learning. So, if we try to categorize within the AI, we have a sub branch or subsystem that is called machine learning. And if we want to jump into the core of machine learning, then we call it as a deep learning.
Okay.
Right. So they are interrelated with each other. And when we talk about the branches in terms like simple AI and AI ML, so we are just integrating some of the machine learning techniques for the purpose of artificial intelligence.
ये एकेटीयू के सिलेबस में है ये मशीन, ये लैब का पार्ट या नहीं है? अब तो न्यू ब्रांच इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है तो अंडरस्टूड है कि होगा।
So
आई वांट टू नो कि इस तरह का लैब कंपलसरी है एज पर द कैरिकुलम है या हम लोगों ने आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाके डिजाइन किया?
ये स्पेशलाइज्ड हम लोगों ने ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट एंड फॉर द फ्यूचरिस्टिक पर्पस, सो दैट स्टूडेंट विल हैव हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग एंड दे कैन कम्पीट विद व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट। तो हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया।
ओके, जो भी अपडेटेड आता है वो हम लोग यहाँ पे सिखा रहे हैं।
राइट, वी ट्राई टू एस्टेब्लिश लाइक दैट। वी आल्सो हैव अ इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर डाउनस्टेयर्स. So we want to promote some of the latest technologies in the campus so that student will have the feeling like they are also getting the world class education.
जिसको बोलते हैं एक्सपोजर, तो भाई यहाँ पे एक्सपोजर है, आप लोग आ भी सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Right.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।